Hi, my name is Sthandwa Bayeni, and this is my life song. 2019 was a painful year, even worse than the day I lost my mother. My husband threw me out of our paradise and replaced me with another woman. After having 4 miscarriages for this man, all that meant nothing anymore. My family, friends, and community accepted me on my lowest. Their love gave me strength and courage to walk tall as I was buying and selling on the street and door to door with each cent. I was able to renovate our home. My friend wanted to start a farming business, and I was quickly reminded my father is a king and he gave me land for us to start our crop farming business. Today, I'm an entrepreneur and farm owner, thanks to my husband for kicking me out of my comfort zone. I'm Sthandwa Bayeni, and this is my song.